I want this world in my hands. I had the beach by Aston in California with my toes in the sand. Used the sleeves of my sweater, just having adventures. Hands in the clouds, my gravity center. Touch my neck, yeah, I touch yours. You in those little high-waisted shorts. Oh, she knows what I think about. What I think about. One love, two mouth. One love, one house. No share, no bless. Just ask and you find out, yeah. Nothing, 'cause it's too cold for you here and now. So let me both your hands in the hose. And if I may just take your breath away, I don't mind if there's not much to say. The silence guides our minds, so move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race where my left hand meets your waist. Yeah, then I watch your face. Oh, I watch your face. This hurts a door, all the other big touch. Oh, inside this place is warm. Outside it starts to pour, coming down. One love, two mouths. One love, one house. No share, no blouse. Just ask and you find out. Yeah, nothing at all, no. 'Cause it's too cold for you here right now. So let me both your hands in, 'cause it's too cold for you here and now. So let me both your hands in the holes of my sweater. No, 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 no. Two, three, four. Whoa, I die.